Hello everybody. So I'm here going to do a little video on this TNinja 1000. I just got it in. Comes with this case, the OBD2 cord. It also has a little power inlet. Comes with a micro SD adapter for USB. And of course your little owner's manual and a USB cord. Not much to it. Real easy to set up. The owner's manual tells you how to go to their web page and download the software. And then I'm trying to get this thing to stay in place here. There we go. So I already got it powered on. I'm going to tell you one thing quick. When you go to upgrade it to initially install all your software in here, you only plug into the back your USB cord. You do not need this. And when you plug this into your computer, their app for your Windows system will auto detect your scanner, and it'll input the info, and then you just click update, and you can, I selected all, so I'd get all the things, but you can select, like if you only want the American cars and Japanese or Asian cars, you select those and then forget the rest. But I selected all, which I'm sure most of you will do that. But again, when you're updating, you do not need this power plug in, and do not have it plugged into your OBD port. Just have this plugged in, and it will power it on, and it will program it. And do not interfere with your computer. Let this go until it's done updating. Don't do anything. Don't be surfing internet. Don't be Facebooking, YouTubing. Let this do its thing uninterfered. Make sure if it's a laptop that you're plugged into the wall. That's just my advice as a tech, hence the board nerd. Let technology do its thing. Now, getting onto this cool little device. Let's go over here. Let's first start with the RFID. So here's a key that's just a blank new one I'm making for a friend for his Ford. So you just put this key right there, like this. Okay. Then you click read. Boom. It's a chip. Ford, Mazda, Lincoln. How easy is that? When you're done, just click back. Let's go over here. Click OK. 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 You select your car. North America, South America, Asia. So let's go down here and let's check Asia. So you got Hyundais. And if you all have a question, like a car, if it's on here, just ask me. I might not have the car to program, because I do this as like a hobby for friends and myself. But I can look if this has it on there, and then I can make a little video for YouTube to show you. I'm not going to do every single car, but in general, most of the popular cars are in here. So we're going to do manual selection. We're going to scroll down to America, since these would be the models I have accessible here in the United States. Let's go down to, let's go to Veloster. One of my neighbors, oh, it does Genesis too. IonQ, Kona. Well, one of my neighbors has a Veloster. Okay. He's got a smart key. So it looks like it'll do a Veloster. It's pretty cool. I know it'll do Lexus because I programmed the key and the remote with this last night for my RX350 Lexus, and it worked like a charm, and it was actually a heck of a lot faster than using TechStream. Well, TechStream works, but man, this thing was a rocket. TechStream takes me about 10 minutes to actually get in there and get in and do the programming, sometimes longer. It just depends how quick my computer fires up and everything. With this thing, from plug-in to programmed was under 5 minutes. And that was for remote and for key programming to the ignition. Beautiful. It was real simple, had all the directions right on the screen. So that's it. If y'all have any other questions, just mark something down in the comments and I'll definitely see if I can answer. I'm no expert. I just do this for fun as a hobby, like I said. And also check out the video on the X-Horse key cutter that I got, the XP007. I love that little thing. I already cut a couple keys for my Lexus with that, so I got 2 backup keys with remotes. It's awesome. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.